What?
That's a weird one.
A muzzle microphone keeps your mouth in the metaverse. Why is that so? Why does that look so? First of all, that's photoshopped. That's not actually. None of them are. These are not photos. Did you notice that?
It looks pretty convincing.
Yeah.
But yeah, you're right. Like this one, her finger doesn't have the shadow on the.
Yeah, it's photoshopped. I guess this company wants to make this device. This is like a contraption that fits over your mouth alongside with your headset. Oof. I don't know why that's so offensive. More so than the headset covering the eyes.
Because of the strap?
Just covering the mouth in general. There's spit and it's the mouth, you know?
Sure.
Headphones with active noise canceling are a useful way to tune out unwanted noises, but what if you instead wanted to silence unwanted sounds at the source? Say you're on a sensitive phone call. Well, we saw a product similar to this that actually came to studio years ago, and it served this purpose to kind of quiet you down when you were having a passionate phone call. I don't know why you would need it, but don't buy. Look, it's called "Don't Buy This Insane Gadget" from years ago. This was called. What was it called? Will, can you check the description? It doesn't even say what it was. I guess Blocks Vox, and you were supposed to wear a headset, and the microphone goes inside of there. And no one can hear what you're saying, but they can still sort of hear what you're saying. And look how painful that looks, even just watching this right now. Anyway, I guess in the metaverse, what does it matter what you look like on the outside once you're in the metaverse? Well,
yeah, I mean, it's something, especially if you're like just all the senses are blocked. Like outside senses.
Shouldn't it just be a whole mask, like scuba diving style at that point? Like, why are you leaving the nose out? Nose, ears. It should just be a helmet. Some type of helmet. Is this actually happening though? Like, that's another
this
Photoshop.
One looks real.
No, that's Photoshop.
No?
I think it's Photoshop. I don't know. Maybe.
I feel like this one's real.
Okay, so where does it say that they're actually making it? They call it the Mutalk. Inside the Mutalk is a microphone and Bluetooth hardware, which picks up the user's voice and transmits it wirelessly to other devices like a smartphone or gaming console. Automatically detects when it's being worn and starts broadcasting over Bluetooth. Initially revealed earlier this year, along with a handful of other accessories designed to improve VR experiences, the Mutalk still isn't officially available. Expected to sell for $140. I don't know how real this is. I don't know what the market is. Is there anybody watching this video or listening to this right now that wants this thing? I don't know. You know what? I do want to know if that's the case.
And if it works. That's interesting.
Yeah, I'm sure it works a little bit, but